Konnichiwa YouTube, I'm Yusuke. Today, I'm gonna make miso soup. Miso soup is the Japanese soul food, and you must learn how to make. Okay, let's start cooking. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Today we use miso, dashi, tofu, green onion, water, and dried wakame seaweed. There's a different type of miso. There's like white miso, red miso, and other things too, but it really doesn't matter, it's up to you. You can choose any kind of miso you want. And dashi is the soup stock made from bonito, the heat. When it starts boiling, add dashi. And tofu. When the tofu is warm enough, turn off the heat and add miso. Turn the heat back on, but do not let it boil after put miso, because the good taste and smells of miso will flew away by boiling it. So when it's warm enough, put green onion and wakame seaweed in the soup bowl. It's ready to eat. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please press good button and also subscribe button. If there's any kind of recipe you want to know, please write down and comment. See you on the next video. ありがとうございました。